एनसीपी शरद पवार ग्रुप की लीडर सुप्रिया सोले ने पकवान गैस सिलेंडर की कीमत में 100 रुपए की कमी का ऐलान किया करने पर वज़ीर आज़म मोदी को तंज का निशाना बनाया है। सुप्रिया सोले ने कहा कि यौम ख़वातीन का ख्याल 10 साल के दौरान क्यों नहीं आया। उनका कहना था कि चूंकि इंतखाबात करीब हैं इसलिए ये ऐलान किया गया है।
I am not surprised at all. Look at the timing. Last 4 years, they have been in power for the last 9 years. Why didn't they think of this earlier? Why just when election is 10 days? I mean, it will probably be announced in the next 5 or 6 days, is what I hear in the media. So, ये और एक जुमला है भैया. Well, I'm not surprised. It's all political. It's not from the heart at all. Financial burden agar karna, if he wanted to reduce it, they should have reduced it by half. In our government, the cylinder was 430 rupees. Why don't they match it to 400 rupees? Well, Gadkari Sahib is a very tall